I'm fixing the brake switch on a 2010 Pontiac G6. So first of all, you got to there's a bolt right here, and then a bolt right here. You got to take those off. There's a little black piece that'll pop off, and then I'll show you the brake switch when it's actually getting there. It's a little white piece, looks about like this. It'll be sitting kind of like that in there. But let me get that piece off real fast, and then I'll go to the next step. So when you're pulling this down, it's going to take a little bit of effort. There's a clip right here, and also a clip right there, so you just kind of pull down on this and it pops. It does have, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a little wire right here that's clipped on, and then the back piece. So the brake switch is up there, that little white piece you can see. There's a bolt right there that you need to undo, and then that black clip, you need to undo that as well. Then it should just come right out. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so I just got it all back together. When you're putting it back on there, make sure that everything lines up. There's a little hole up there that makes sure that this little tab gets in there and that your bolt lines up in there. And also make sure that this piece right here is straddling the brake pedal. So up there, there's a bar up in there. You want to make sure that this piece is sitting over the top of it, kind of like that. That way when the brake moves either way, it triggers this to send a sensor. So make sure that that's over the top of that. And that, like I said, that this hole is lined up and that your screw's in there. To get this little piece off, when it's up in there, on the back side there's a black tab. You just push it down and then it pulls right out. It's kind of a pain. You're gonna be on your back the whole time, so make sure you're comfortable. I watched one video. It said it's a 7mm socket. My 7mm didn't work, so mine was 9 and 9/32. If you have any questions, let me know.